Welcome, here I've got GIGASET GX290 and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode and the volume buttons are here, as you can see. So let me try to use them now and see how it works with cooperation with the camera. And as you can see now, by tapping on this, I can easily take a picture. So to change its function, we have to go here to the right corner, where we can open some more advanced options of this camera. And now let's focus on the volume key feature, which is here. By tapping on this, we can manage it, and we can pick from the volume, shooter, which is now, and the zoom. So for now, let me pick zoom to show you how it works different. And let me try to use these buttons again. And as you can see now, by tapping on this, I can get really close to my subject, so I can use zoom and also go back. So this is how it works. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave that thumbs up.